My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Ebuka don come out come review certain twists where they inside where they come up for this new Big Brother season 9 wey be say dey come. And also Phyna don come out come explain wetin happen to her today, and some of her fans don applaud her while some of them drag her. So Phyna come out come dey explain say one person enter her DM. I just read wetin she talk. She say early hours of today one riffraff entered my DM thinking he can win a one-on-one banter with me, shaking my head. As in Phyna dey try to talk to say nobody fit win her, the person just come inside her DM to come do competition of banter with her. No know to say she na ogbonge, na she be number one when it comes to that type of thing. So come say, bro, get yourself a deodorant. I heard you've got mad body odor. You shink. Only one bastard. Your papa no get sense. So people come dey say I be Natasha, because you know say anytime people say they call deodorant, people dey always think say Natasha. But Tasha no be guy. The person I be not be man neither they call bro. I be they don't they call women bro too. Well, I'm not sure say it go be Tasha, because two of them dey good. If Natasha for don't come and call blast her since. So as she make that statement, her fan come out to come advise her. Cause say you are my fave, but it seems like it seems you like to be dragged. Cause what is this? Something happened in your DM and you have come here to post it. Like how? Phyna come tell am, come warn am, come say kindly block and unfollow me. If you can't stand again, please collect chair and sit down. Be forced to stand person. If you not like person, no bother to stand. And if the person attitude don tire you, just leave the person. No need for you to even make am public to come dey tell am say I want to leave you, I want to do this. If you not like wetin person dey do, you not like the person lifestyle, and you dey follow the person before, just quietly unfollow the person. Not come dey make announcement. I not think say Natasha Phyna they refer to, according to wetin people they talk online. It is not Tasha to me. So onto Ebuka matter, we all know say the Big Brother Naija season 9, the thing they come at, the audition started yesterday, 8 p.m. to be precise, yesterday. And from what I hear, the audition, the gate go close by April 20th of this year. The auditions go close by April 20th. So if you know also you never apply, try to apply. So the thing where we say they cause controversy online, now the requirements where Ebuka can drop for a page. So Ebuka can say BBNaija #BBNaija auditions are back, and this time it's a twist. The audition requires you and a partner. Yes, because say, are you a part of a dynamic duo, a couple, friends, sibling, parent and child? Now this parent and child might be the phrase, maybe the phrase where we say people rule out, they start to drag the organizers of the show. Because say colleague, wherever, then simply follow the instructions on the second slide. The instruction are down where they say make a 3 minutes video and all those things. See them for my screen. So now be the instruction. So because say come close the segment with auditions are now open until April 20th, 2024. So which is next month, 20th of next month. Now the audition portal will close. So this particular place where we say talk about parents and child, the thing not dey funny to Nigerians come they say which kind of rubbish be that? Why you go say make parents and child come be brother? It doesn't make any sense. So make I show una some of their reactions. First person here say, how can a child and his mom or dad be in a toxic show like BBN? Can you guys hear yourself out? Me in particular, I'm not sure say I support this parents and child matter, honestly, because the thing just dey strange to me. The other one can say parents and child, person can say abeg no parent and child, what's that? Popular film emoji. Another one can say this usual show is coming up again, God why? If you no wan watch the show, just not watch am. There are so many channels on DSTV that you can tune into. It's not a must you watch Big Brother Naija, so try rest. The last person can say I no wan hear say anybody cheat on a partner. If you know you are going into that place, if you know you are auditioning with your husband or your wife or your boyfriend or your girlfriend, try, or your friend, your close friend, where you know say you get feelings for something like that, just notice say anything can happen there. A lot of things fit spoil for una. So if you know say you dey sure of wetin you dey do, you fit carry your partner go there, all those type of things. But if you know so na relationship already dey rocky before you wan go there, the thing go spoil well. It's not advisable at all. This one wey be say be parent and pikin, I not support am, because I no understand wetin parent and pikin wan dey do for there. Honestly, I no understand. The thing wey be say I see for this new Big Brother wey be say dey come be say na shippers na go enjoy am pass, because there's going to be a lot of love duos wey be say go dey there. Shippers go see a lot of people to ship, as in the thing na second ultimate, how do they call that thing? Is it Love Island. I think this one go be second Love Island show. Me, I go there dey wait for the fake sheep make I drag them. Una take care, una bye.